Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're headed back to Lululemon to continue our quest for the best sweats. So today we're looking at the Softstreme HR or high-rise pant. Now I am usually a size 6 in Lululemon, but have lately been discovering that their sizes are not as accurate as I originally thought. So we're gonna get into that in a moment, but first let's take a look at our garment. So it does have a quite thick waistband, and just to kind of level set with Softstreme, what that means is it's this very luxurious, soft material. It really does feel like next level. It feels like you are getting what you pay for. It also kind of has like a cooling effect that it doesn't feel kind of thick and heavy or kind of fleecy, but it feels a little bit more buttery, silky smooth, kind of like an Align pant, but again, next level. Now trying these on, I really liked these sweatpants. They kind of felt like a next level sweatpants that are not quite a champion type of casual sweatpant, and they're not a legging. So they're kind of one step up from, a standard lounge sweatpant that you wouldn't really want to go in public in. Given that it is Lululemon, it did feel very well crafted, and it did even have the hidden pocket inside the right pocket, which I thought was a very nice detail. Of course, you can fold over the waistband and have a different vibe to these pants. However, I don't think that's really what they're made for. Now you can start to tell that the size might be a little off, especially from the amount that the cinch would allow. So I did ask a stores associate, and they let me know that this was probably a little bit too big. So I tried on a size 4, and they fit a little bit more snug. That being said, I really do think the size is based on your comfort level. I could see myself wearing either of these. This definitely is a little bit more fitted, but I do think that's kind of the trend to be a little bit more fitted. So don't let that influence your decision. Overall, I really liked these sweatpants. They felt like they were presentable. I wouldn't really mind if somebody walked into my house while I was wearing them or lounging in them. I could throw them on after a workout or anything of the like. Let me know if you like them, if you have them, and if you would recommend them, or if you wouldn't. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.